Hey friends, a lot of users have reported that the Netplwiz option does not show checkbox on Windows 11. So here's the thing, Windows 11 comes with the Windows Hello system, but first of all let me show you the issue before the resolution. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, type this command and hit enter. You get this checkbox here, but if you do not get the checkbox here, or it is grayed out, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. Let the list load. Scroll down, click on sign in options. You will find a lot of sign in options here. Okay. Try to disable all of them because these are Windows Hello options. Okay. And once you disable all of them, then you will be able to access this checkbox like I do. But even if they are available, in many cases you will be able to access the checkbooks in that case. But if you have this, or if you are facing this issue, then you can disable Windows Hello. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.